Hai kochanie.
To London. See you in a few days, yeah?
Bye.
Bye, Sanya, I love you.
Right, so Damian is going to London basically, and the taxi already picked him up for a few days. It's nice, beautiful, sunny today. I hope that he got a nice trip. Well, actually, that Damian already living to London for 1 week, and his company generally allows me to travel with him to London, basically. But unfortunately, due to I have to apply visa because I'm obviously not Polish, and I have to use my passport, and then it takes time, and also it's complicated. So yeah, I'm not joining. But if, let's say, next time when there are any like events in another European countries, in especially in Schengen countries where my visa valid to go, so I can join him. I think that because of the Brexit or something like that, and England is not belong to European Union anymore, so I cannot go straight forward to UK, so I have to apply visa for that, and then it takes lots of time. Meanwhile, Damian only there for just 1 week. My own breakfast. I already made breakfast for Damian, so this one just the breakfast for me. I've got my bulky to be cut, and I have my ham and also I have this butter and tomato, salt and pepper. So now I will take you to the place where I throw the rubbish. So I bring my rubbish actually to the rubbish room. So in every single apartment, they always provide you with a special room for the trash. I'll show you how it is. Here is the trash room. So they really like to differentiate the types of the rubbish. That's the bio, that's the bottle, this one, and this one. That's so many. You see, this one is how you put all the rubbish like bio, komunalne, papier, opak, kovanya. So that's different color. Let's see the green is for the bottle, like this. I'll take my rubbish, so here we go. Like this one will go here, all the glass bottle. This one, okay, and then the plastic bottle, like this. You see all the plastic bottle, you have to put it here, like this. My apartment, they also provide you with a children playground. So if you have a family, always there is a place for children to play. This video because in Bali, generally in Indonesia, it is common for Balinese Indonesian people to burn the rubbish. So everywhere you go, you will see that how they throw the rubbish on the street and they burn the plastic, and then it is so toxic. One thing that why I really like living in Poland is that about the waste management system. So later on, I think that every 2 times a week or 3 times a week, the garbage truck will pick up all the rubbish and bring it to the waste management. This is really worth to share to you what we learn actually living in a developed country. Yes, you paid here a lots of tax, something like that, but again, the life is more regulated and the more enjoyable, where we will not see that the like toxic from the burned plastic and rubbish. That's why I always say to my family, we should learn something from different countries. Make this video because of this is my daily video. So for those of you who are coming from Indonesia, Bali, that plans to move, live, working here in Poland, one thing that I see is that it is really worth to share to you, and how about the life here in Poznan or in Poland in general. So at least you didn't have a search of cultural shock, and so you will learn that how is a developed country dealing with the waste management system. Meanwhile, in my home country in Bali, I don't think that they have such kind of this advanced waste management system, because most of the rubbish in Bali, they just put it in the landfills, and they didn't have a proper waste management system. So that's why last time when we used to live in Bali, there was a case like fire in the landfills. Right, so today I have appointment for Bali massage, and then we are going to the area next to the Starry Brobar. So I will have my Bali massage for 1 hour. So that is in front is the Multikino, which is a cinema, and here is the Thai Bali massage. So I will do Bali massage today for 1 hour. Finish my Bali massage for 1 hour. I'm so hungry, so let's go here to have a lunch in the Starry Brobar. I really like this statue. It's so unique for me. And then it is made by the Japanese in 1991. Interesting. And I'll show you around. This Starry Brobar is actually a mall. Long time ago it was brewery, and one rich Poznan lady changed it into a shopping mall. It is very nice. It was so relaxing after 1 hour Balinese relaxation massage, and then I spoke to the lady who massaged me. Wayan, she's coming from East Bali. So yeah, we talk a lot about house life, and yeah, basically that if I'm open a Balinese massage and spa as well, I also need to do a market search, and then I also need to see how is the place that open a Balinese massage in Poznan, and see how it is, how's the service and how's everything. So it's nice to see, and the Balinese and Thai massage market, it is a very nice here in Poznan especially. So we keep walking and walking. I'll show you around the place. It is nice, fancy. I think this one is the Galleria or something like that. And then down there is also another shop. It's nice. And next to it is Andersia Hotel. And then my husband told me the owner of the Andersia Hotel in the front is the same owner of this Starry Brobar Mall. Oh, nice. And now during the summer, actually, remember it was like the glass door over there. So the glass door is open, and look at the clock there. And then the restaurant already preparing for the sitting outside, just like this. It's nice. It's very unique. You see, this is the statue how they make the beer long time ago. Nice. And next to the Starry Boulevard is very nice, comfy park, just like this. This is what I really like about Poland. Again and again, wherever you go, next to it is green park. And the children playground over there. Now, so inside the building is actually like this. Nice. In my art class, I learn about this technique. Yeah, I learn about this one. Nice. The second floor. It's nice. And look at the bridge over there. It's actually connecting the building. And this is the stairs. That's actually, if you go straight there, you will go to the Starry Rynek. Nice. Once again, so this is actually the restaurant situation during lunchtime. Let's see. Oh, look at these two beautiful statues from China. Oh, look at on the top. It is very cool. Nice. It's very antique. Nice. Let's have lunch. I'm already hungry. McDonald's here. Chinese house. Marche. And many things. So many foods actually here. Nice. I think that I will buy this one. Looks so fresh and tempting. After my Bali massage, I feel like I wanna eat Asian food, rice, and this one is pork, and this one is curry, and this one is spring roll. All it cost me about 30 zloty. And this one is how it looks, the situation. So busy. Oh, look at this lunar architecture with the metal, and that's in the middle, the stairs, I mean the lift. It is impressive. And surround is the coffee shop on the left. On the right side, also another coffee shop. Let's go outside. And we go outside, and again, I'm really amazed with the architecture building here. Nice. And then look at the garden here. Summer is always beautiful. And look at the playground. It's very family friendly place. Beautiful. Nice. It is very nice actually. And nowadays during the summer they're also providing a seat like this. So yeah, sitting under the trees, enjoying the oxygen is so nice. After I had my lunch actually, and I decided to go in the park, what I see is that it's beautiful, chairs set up like this during the summer. And then many people are coming here with their friends, with their family, enjoying their best time in the park. What I can see is that summer in Europe is very beautiful, and it's really enjoyable. Called me that he stopped in one gas station or land in the highway, and he said that he will be arriving in London because he travels by car and tomorrow morning around 8 or 9, because from like Poland, he said he will go to the Belgium and he will go to the French. From Calais he will take the big ship and across to England. It's quite long trip, but this is his job, and the main thing is that he really likes traveling. And last night he asked me that how if he Damian travel a lot. What I see is that I always told Damian that ikigai, one Japanese phrase that I really like: you do what you love and love what you do. and do your best or don't do it at all. Yeah, so for me is that, you know, Damian travel somewhere and I'm here living in Poznan. I feel safe, just like a daily life, you know, like going everywhere. I walk alone, I feel safe, and then walking path is enjoyable, very comfortable public transportation. So I didn't worry that much about my safety. I just said like that, and yeah, just enjoy the trip. And Damian will also record what he's going to do there, because his staff is already there for 2 weeks and he has to be there for 1 week. So it's like a Targi company, is you know, like company with the exhibition, meetings, conferences, workshops, something like that. So yeah, at least that he is happy for his trip. Sitting there actually for such a quite long, when my tummy already full, I feel so sleepy. Now it's time to go for a coffee. Always good for Sofa o'clock. It's coffee time. The cake here is so good. Nice. So this one is my dessert, hot cappuccino, and what is it called, Black Forest. And this one is the place actually, and facing that one. Actually a very nice afternoon, and now it's already 4 and starting for the rush hours. It's time to go home. I already full sleepy and I feel so fresh after Balinese massage. And after this I will walk to the Park Sawachi as usual. Look at this fountain behind me. Like I told you, summer is so beautiful here. That's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.